Oh, now we're gonna check this question and see if it's true or false. Any statement about the leaf that's falling is falling from a 36 feet height. So it's falling for 36 feet high, and then it goes 9 feet every 2 seconds. Important information. The most important thing is reading it correctly. So the initial height is 36. Yes, we know this. That is the only data we have. It's coming from 36 feet. So that's true. Yes. So then the second information that we have is the second question actually. It goes down at a rate of 2/9 foot every 1 second. No, no, this is false. Look, it goes 9 feet every 2 seconds. So it is done backwards, but also I'm asking in 1 second, not in 2 seconds. That's false for two reasons. So, but what is the rate? The rate is, let me erase this. The rate is 9 foot or 9 feet every 2 seconds, which is the same of 4.5 feet every 1 second. So 2 seconds, we want to know in one, always the unit rate, the slope, the rate of change. So that means our slope is 4.5. But there is one thing happening, is going down, is decreasing because we're losing height. So we will check this in a second. It's the same thing when we remove money from the bank account, when we try to empty a pool. So the rate will be negative because we're losing. So we're getting lower. That's one thing we have to consider all every single time we solve a question like this. So let me explain the last one. So I will do this. So the height was 36. So that's the height or y. So then this is x or the time. I will show you two ways to do that. So I'm going down by 4.5 feet. So if I go down 4.5 feet every second, so I'm going to 31.5 feet after 1 second. So after the second, I'm going down by 4.5. So I'm going to 27. So in the next second, I'm going down 4.5 more, which is 22.5. Then I'm going down again, so I will not have a space to go all the way to 6 seconds. But if you keep going, you will see that it will not be on 5 feet. So if I go for the fourth second, I'll be on 18 feet. In the fifth second, I have to go down 4.5 more, so that will be 12.5 feet. No, I'm sorry, 13.5 feet. Sorry. So when if I go for the 6 second, I will be on 5 feet height. So after 6 seconds, that is my height from the ground. So this is false. Another way to do that, please stay with me for this. You can draw a graph, but it take too long. We don't have this much time on SBAC. What we can do is, let's write the function for that. So the height, y equals x. What is my rate of change, my slope? I'm going down every second by 4.5. Well, I can't forget it. Since I'm losing height, I'm going down. You saw the graph will be a negative. Okay, now what is the height before you start falling? So b, the y-intercept, what I had before it started. I already had that height. That was 36. So no matter the time you want, you can check the height. Let's say we want 6 seconds. So x equals to 6. So if you do this quick math, so then we multiply that, we get negative 27 plus 36. If we do this quick math, we'll get the height equals to 9. So if you find one equation, and you can do this for any type of question like that, you can get the height at any time. Thank you for watching that.